Hi everyone, I am Amita Gayani Ramanayaka. First of all, I would like to thank my fellow teachers for explaining early childhood education in Pakistan, a country in the South Asian region. I will explain what their titles are. 1. Evolution and new trends in early childhood education in the country. Second one, national policies on early childhood development. Third one, how early childhood education works in that country. Fourth one, public contribution and private sector contribution. The fifth one, the national ECCE and education curriculum and teaching method in Pakistan. Now I will explain what the title I have received is how to substitute Pakistan ECCE methods for Sri Lanka. Let's go to the next table of content. The Islamic Republic of Pakistan, Early Childhood Education of Pakistan, ECCE in Pakistan, Education System in Pakistan, Early Childhood Curriculum in Pakistan, Child Care, Pakistan's ECE centers, how to substitute Pakistan ECCE methods for Sri Lanka, and the references. Let us first look at what the Islamic Republic of Pakistan is. It consists of 7 provinces. Location: Pakistan is located in the western part of the Indian subcontinent. Population: 167 million. There are 7 provinces: Balochistan, Pakhtunkhwa, Punjab, Sindh, Jammu and Kashmir, Gilgit-Baltistan and Islamabad. So several languages are used here. Let's find what is the languages are. Punjabi, Sindhi, Pashto, Muhajir, Pahari and Balochi. Education budget rupees 95,442 million. Literacy rate 55% 5. Primary school enrollment 2,026,050,000. Early childhood education of Pakistan. Let's find out what early childhood education is in Pakistan. ECCE in Pakistan. Introduction of ECCE in Pakistan. Early childhood education (ECE) mainly relates to early learning of young children. ECE consists of activities and experiences that are intended to effect developmental changes in children prior to their entry into a formal class, grade, or primary schools. Children do not just grow in size, they develop, involve mastering ever more complex understandings of the people, objects, and challenging their environment. There is a general pattern or sequence for development that is true of all children. However, the character and quality of development varies from child to child. ECE refers not only to what is happening within the child, but also to the develop and learn in a healthy and normal way. It is important not only to meet the basic needs for protection, food and health care, but also to meet the basic needs for interaction and stimulation, affection, security, and learning through exploration and discovery. Early Childhood Care and Education (ECCE) in Pakistan is defined as formal and informal as well as public or private daycare services for children. Religion plays a big role in childcare centers. Children are taught Islam teaching and how to read the Quran. Islamic education is emphasized at an early age in Pakistan. It is estimated that more than 80% of children aged 4 to 10 get Islamic education. Education system in Pakistan. The education system in Pakistan is generally divided into 5 levels. Level 1 primary, grades 1 through 5, level 2 middle, grades 6 through 8, level 3 secondary, grades 9 and 10, level 4 higher secondary, grades 11 and 12, level 5 university program. Early childhood curriculum in Pakistan. All following competencies requires that teachers start the language and literacy program in children's mother tongue based on local cultural and gradually add Urdu and then English, and also reference from the wider culture. Children need the confidence that their mother tongue is valued. Listening and speaking skills, reading skills, writing skills, mathematical concepts. Children will develop basic logical, critical, creative, and problem solving skills by demonstrating an understanding of the different attributes of objects such as color, size, weight, and texture, and match sequence and classify objects based on one or two attributes. Children will develop a basic understanding of quantity, counting up to 100, and some simple numbers operations of 0 to 9. Children will recognize basic geometrical shapes and the position of objects in relation to each other. Children will develop an understanding of measurement, the world around us. Children will develop an understanding of how families are important and talk about their family history. Children will develop an understanding of the people and places around them. Children will recognize the plants and animals in their environment and explore their basic features and habitats. Children will observe the weather and develop an understanding of the seasons and their significance to people. Children will develop a caring attitude towards the environment. Children will recognize and identify natural resources and physical features of Earth. Healthy hygiene and safety. First one, physical development and safety. Children will develop a sense of balance, agility, and coordination. Children will have increased hand-eye coordination and the ability to handle tools and materials effectively. Children will develop sensory motor skills. Second one, safety and hygiene practices. Children will develop an understanding of the importance of safe, hygienic practices. Children will develop an understanding of personal safety and security. Creative arts. There are two main sections on the subject of creative arts. The first one is visual art. Under that, children express themselves through the use of art and color, create low cost and waste based craft projects. Experiments with different materials for children to represent their observations and imagination, and bend, cut, tear, and weave fabrics to create objects and patterns. The techniques are observed, trained, and explored. Under part 2, under part 2, sound, rhythm, and action. As a form of expression, children will hear, recognize, and appreciate a variety of sound patterns, rhythms, and rhymes. Children participate more confidently in various dramatic activities to express their ideas. Let us next look at the activity of an early childhood center in Pakistan. Child care. Open 5 days a week, 8 a.m. to 6 p.m. full day. Children age 0 to 5, age above 5 goes to class 1. Not more than 5 infants are found in the whole child care center. Parents provide food or snack for their children. ECE gets around 25,000 to 40,000 rupees or more depending on the child care center. ECE assistant 13,000 rupees. Parents are involved through field trips, workshops, birthday parties, and other materials. Now you can see some pictures of some of the early childhood centers in Pakistan. Let's see how can we replace the Pakistani system with ours. How to substitute Pakistan ECCE methods for Sri Lanka. There are good qualities of Pakistan's ECE field that we can apply in our country to develop awareness of basic cultural values and norms. 90% of brain development takes place by age. Learning activities are based on direct experience. Learning activities are mainly based on group activities. No priority is given to writing letters. For ECE teachers, 2 years of specialized training in working with young children will become a necessary requirement. Teacher training will be based on the revised ECE national curriculum. It is recommended that the curriculum and support material for ECE take account of the cultural diversity of particular areas to help the child develop his or her potential to learn and grow, improve cognitive development, thinking and reasoning among the children, improve social development learning, how to maintain good relationship with others, improve emotional development, self-image and security, improve language skills, improve learning outcomes in the next grades, reduce dropout rate, improve quality of education. Children who have a well good quality AECE are more likely to be law-abiding citizens, helping the child to develop his or her abilities and not allowing parents to fulfill their wishes through the child. Early childhood training centers are beautifully decorated so the child will feel like they are entering a fairy tale world. Encourage children to repeat activities until fully mastered. The salaries of teachers in Pakistan are very good compared to Sri Lanka. Make children feel secure when they know what to expect. Applicants with bachelor degrees in high-demand childcare and preschool facilities are increasingly showing preference to applicants with a bachelor degree in the field, while an associate's degree in early childhood education may provide entry-level opportunities in creates an organized environment that is conducive to the learning process, helps children learn about sequencing, help children understand in the concept of the passage of time, help teachers organize themselves, helps children realize that an activity has to be completed within a set time frame. The various methods available in early childhood education in the state of Pakistan are very modern and up-to-date methods that can be used in our country, Sri Lanka, which is very valuable for the development of early childhood education. Therefore, these methods can be substituted for early childhood development and education in our country. Thank you.